Are you ready to transform your meals with a vegetable that's not only nutritious but incredibly versatile? Meet the humble zucchini, your new kitchen superhero. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, zucchini is here to elevate your cooking game. But here's the twist. We're diving into secrets that will make your taste buds dance like never before. Don't let this culinary gem slip through your fingers. Join us as we explore the amazing world of zucchini, from garden to table. Discover nutritional facts that will transform your eating experience. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to not miss out on our zesty zucchini journey. Your next kitchen masterpiece awaits. Stay tuned, dive in, and let's get zesty with zucchini. Let's delve into the surprising health benefits of zucchini. A vegetable that not only adds a splash of green to your plate, but also packs a powerful nutritional punch, offering a myriad of advantages for your well-being. Here are 10 health benefits of zucchini. Zucchini is low in calories, making it a great choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight, while still feeling full and satisfied. Zucchini contains antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, which can help protect your body against free radicals. The fibre, potassium, and magnesium in zucchini can support heart health by reducing blood pressure and lowering cholesterol levels. Zucchini is high in water and fibre, which can help prevent constipation and promote regularity for a healthy digestive tract. The fibre in zucchini can help stabilize blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting people with diabetes by slowing down sugar absorption. The lutein and zeaxanthin in zucchini can contribute to eye health, reducing the risk of age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Zucchini's high water content and antioxidants can help improve skin hydration and combat the damage caused by free radicals, leading to better skin health. Due to its B vitamin content, particularly folate, riboflavin, and B6, zucchini can help boost energy production in the body. Anti-inflammatory properties. Zucchini has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and alleviate inflammation in the body. The magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese in zucchini contribute to building and maintaining strong, healthy bones. Incorporating zucchini into your diet can offer these benefits and contribute to overall health and wellness. And there you have it, 10 fantastic reasons to make zucchini a regular guest on your plate. Not only is it versatile and delicious, but it's also brimming with benefits that keep your body smiling from the inside out. Who knew this simple green veggie could be such a powerhouse of health? I hope you're feeling as inspired as I am to whip up some zucchini magic in the kitchen. Remember, whether you're sautéing, baking, or spiralizing, there's a zucchini dish for every occasion and every palate. Don't forget to share your favorite zucchini recipes and tips in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about all the creative ways you're boosting your health with this amazing vegetable. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more nutritious nuggets of wisdom. Until next time, keep nourishing your body, feeding your soul, and cooking with joy. Take care and see you in the next video.